welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Coco Mama. Thank you for stopping by. If you see my video for the first time, I said a very big thank you. And if you're my old subscribers, may I look for you from everywhere. This is Coco Mama. Our previous channel, I been Nigeria Coco Mama. Hope so now remember. And the channel can get small castle. So this one a brand new one. Subscribe, share the video, invite your friends and family, your loved ones, and those people say if more than they talk, more than they keep malice. Invite them. All join. I love you so much. I don't want to plenty. I don't want to make it past 2 to 3 minutes because of the face. I the very serious. Let me wear glasses today. Don't summer. We gonna manage this haircuts. According to my big mommy, she said, Coco Mama, this is your haircut. I love her die. I don't want to see you with Yvonne again. Now I say, and the way with Yvonne, make people notice I the small picky. Okay, today I hope so. 10 days, eh? 10 days. Make this man go do. Now the whole parade, everything. Now I can't do for her. Let's make carelessly live in country in the hand of Boko Haram. Fulani me. He go relax for another man country. Make them do am well. Nothing like up Nepal, down Nepal for the everything they work perfectly. Buhari as you go there, go relax. I think you see the way another man country be. You go sick, you go there. Now sick, now you go collect injection. No. Then they say you go vacation. Your country, Aso Rock may fine like say tomorrow no day. You know reach you stay for there, take do your holiday. Doctors may dey there, they no fit treat you because common paracetamol no dey for Aso Rock hospital. Talk less of the common people for streets, and you come dey you chop belle full. You may be sick man, you no fit stand. As they come down for play, now so they wage you from side. All your cabas then they come they stand for side, they wage you, make you for no fall. Now say they walk out like this, your head they shake for your neck. They be like person may one for, person may one for. Stamina you no even get. Now you won't constant come 2019 again. If we find sick man, we no go wake your brother Yaradua for grave, make he come rule us. You are a sick man, but Nigeria no need you. Nigeria too strong for a person like you. Stamina you no get. You dey upon all the money may you get as president. Now so you breathe, you no fit chop better food. Breathe, now so you dey waka like stick. Breathe, they carry you. Now so you won't take push yourself again. Come, you want your cabas that they don't already they arrange you, they package you. Now make them send you for treatment, 10 days treatment, send a vacation. You won't go rearrange so that 2019 will come vote for you again. You chop winch. You chop winch. I be they swear for you from Daura. Some people will come my YouTube channel and they say, and then they talk, respect your header. It's your header. It's your president. It's not my president. President made they allow people to die. Not my president be. Now your president, blood sucking president. You know be Buhari not my president. Instead, Yaradua and I may don't die. Now my president. Heartless man like that may allow people to. If Buhari no dey in support of these killings, wetin stop am to criticize them or declare say na terrorist group dem be? Wetin stop am? Because of say na those people na im vote and put 2018 make all the small children for all the Fulani herdsmen, everybody made underage children, they cast their vote for am. Till today the matter sweep under carpet. They say they go investigate. Till tomorrow they no go investigate am. Now 2019 election don't they come again. Una never investigate the one make Buhari take enter, make small children vote for her. Una one more come, una one do us 419 again. All this APC in the morning, in the afternoon, PDP. Now God go judge all of una. In the morning at the APC, in the evening I don't turn change party. Because una see us like fools, una see us like stupid person. Buhari, you're a sick man. I watch you when they come down from play today. You be like person may breeze one carry. If not be say group of people wage you. You for don't disappear. Nobody for know your whereabouts. You're a sick man. Nigeria don't need person like you. We don't need you. Go relax. You're a sick man. Even the treatment may go collect for Obodo Yubo for the 10 days trip vacation. You don't even show for your body because sickness don't chop you where. Any moment from now you go kick buckets. And a person like you want more come put to 2019. May our mind no dey relax. You can't die on the way. We can't find who won't collect power from you. abeg suffer go stay for one side, we no need you. Buhari, Bamasoka, I go stop for this place.
Take it back. Thank you. Take it back.